This is an automatic water flow controller. In this video, I'll show how it works. This primarily has a water inlet, a water outlet, and the central piece you see here is where the action happens and where you can set the water schedule. This water inlet comes with a screw cap, which I have already got fixed to my tap, as you can see here, this one. It still works like a normal tap right now. Now let me go ahead and fix the controller to it. Alright, it's connected. So I have connected the timer to my tap. Let me remove the protective glass cover. And let me just zoom in a bit. Alright, as you can see, the display here is showing the current time and day. So it's Saturday 1:59 p.m. and there are three modes: on, auto and off, and the black arrow is currently pointing to off. So even if I turn on the tap, the water doesn't flow through, right? So let's keep the tap on and switch the mode to on. Now as you can see, the water flows through and it keeps flowing through and doesn't stop automatically. We don't want that, right? We want to set a schedule for both on and off times. Let's see how to do that. Let me turn it off first. Now let's see how the automatic mode works. Okay, now let me point the arrow to auto mode now. It is in auto mode. Now if you click on the second button from the right that says program or prog, it shows schedules that are already set and also gives us an option to set new schedules. For example, the first schedule is here, as you can see, is on at 9 o'clock on all days of the week. So when I click on prog again, it shows that the first schedule is off at 9:05 a.m. on all days of the week. So essentially what it means is at 9 o'clock in the morning on all days of the week, the water flow starts and it stops exactly at 9:05 a.m. And when I click on it again, I can see the settings for other schedules. So second schedule on off timings, third schedule on off timings, and so on. You can set up to 8 schedules in this device. Now let's see how to set a new schedule. Let's try it with the fourth one. So I am currently on fourth schedule on time. When I click on day, it shows me all days of the week. If I click on it again, I can set it only on Monday or only on Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. I can set it only on alternate days, only on weekends, etc. Let me just select all days of the week. I can now set at what time the water flow should start. For the sake of this demo, since we are at 2 p.m. right now, let me select 2 o'clock, then let me go to the minutes and set it to 2:03 maybe, or maybe 2:04. If I click on prog again, it asks me to set the off time for the fourth schedule. So let me again set it for 2:05 or 2:06. So from 2:04 to 2:06 p.m. the water will go through. Let me just click on time again. So it's showing the current time. Let's wait for 2 minutes and see how it works. And let me also zoom out a bit so that you can see the full view. So as you can see, the water flow started exactly at 2:04 p.m. Let me just put a bucket to collect the water bucket, and let's skim through 2 minutes and see what happens at 2:06. and it turned off automatically at exactly to 6 p.m. This is how you can set your own automatic schedules using this device. Now, let's say if you want to remove one of the set schedules, let me show you how to do that. All you need to do is go to that particular schedule. Let's say if you want to remove the one that we just set, go to the fourth schedule on time, hit the escape button, it reverts to the default state, and make sure you do it for the off state as well. That's it. Now all that is remaining is to connect the outlet of this device to the main pipeline of your drip irrigation system, and by setting your own schedules you'll have an automatic water irrigation system for your plants. I have explained that in detail in this video.